Hi, today we will have a look at the contents of this big shiny box. So the information written on here is just the information about the wrapping plastic. It is not about the actual content. But you can see it is not so old. It is from May of 1987. So about the wrapping plastic, you have a whole bunch of specs written on it. So what do we have in here? It has been in storage in my garage for a few years. I did find it on eBay back in the time, and it was quite cheap. But in fact I was not expecting something so big, because when on the eBay ad you had no photo, nothing around the item allowing you to figure out exactly the size. And I was expecting something that height, and you can see it is much bigger. So we have in here fuselage skin part from missile, new in the box. It is, I believe, from Matra Super 530 missile, and it is also, obviously overstock part which was not used. The missile had a long career in French Air Force with a lot of revisions, but for some reason this part was not but in service. So now I will show you what we can expect in this box. So here is a drawing of the Super 530 missile, and the part I have, I believe, is this one just after the antenna radome, and it might be the one containing the guidance electronics. So you can see it is a circular part with mounting flange here and here probably, and you can see on the side we have 4 of these headed parts which might be some kind of cable conduits, and surely enough it will fit a hole and a screw hole on the part, as you will see. So it confirms it must be this particular section. So as you can see, originally it was completely wrapped in this very thick protective plastic, and inside just a regular cardboard box with foam inserts to keep the things in place. In the bottom here a big pack of desiccant silica gel, really heavy pack. Oddly enough, it does not tell the weight. And here is the thing in one more layer of wrapping, which has also specs written on it. And it is the same brand, Valsom. So, are you ready? So you know what we can expect. We can expect a grey cylinder. It is made of stainless steel, it seems. And here is what it looks like. So as I did say just before, we have holes here and provision for screws for the side pieces, the conduits, or things like so, and all around the missile. We have here mounting flange with even a locating pin, and same on the other side. So I will install the overhead camera, and I will try to show you a little bit better the details. So we will start with information on the sticker on the box. So here I did actually hide the exact address of the Matra factory somewhere near Paris. You can see it is Matra BAE Dynamics France. The part of the name is envelope AD. The cage code for the manufacturing code. And OTAN number, NATO number it seems, NSN. Packed in October of 1987. Serial number here almost erased. Sadly, this sticker was, when I received it, the parcel was closed with this tape, and it was over the information sticker. But still, okay. Then a quick look at the bag of desiccant, made by Ron Poulenc in France. It is a big French chemicals company, and actually I had a Ron Poulenc factory not far from here. I remember in the 90s it was a huge factory, but now it is gone and the land is not reused any, still not reused, but they did demolish everything. But it seems the land is still contaminated by some bad stuff. So it will change color when loaded with moisture, and you can regenerate it in an oven, but this bag is much bigger than usual. It must be 200 grams at least, or something like this. Usually you see it in very small bags. Okay, and now the main part. Oh, it's a nice noise, as you can hear. Yes, interesting noise. So it is a little bit oversized for my bench. We will start here because, so first you can see the very nice grey Boeing grey paint. Focus. Here we have the model and serial number on my own inventory number. You can see the mounting adapter here with to the next section, probably with a big ring that will fasten around the thing. Locating pin here, and some kind of a keyway here. Here the captive nut for the side piece that will bolt on here. On the opening, I guess, for cables. So inside is all empty. We can see the very nice welding work here. It is obviously a piece of sheet metal they did bent in a circle and weld from the inside, it seems. There is one intermediate ring inside here, probably, I guess, to attach the contents. Yes, it is sad, it is completely empty. I would love to have what goes inside this. On the other side here, a little bit different, this part. A big screw hole here. Oops, I guess it might be for lifting eye. One little here, and again this. As you did so see on the picture, in fact there is this piece going like this, so it is the hand screw for it. So I have this thing in storage for a long time. I was thinking about making a table with it, or something like this, in fact. But it did not happen yet. I would need to find a glass piece of a round tempered glass piece of a correct size to put on the top, and make some kind of legs here. But for now it did not happen, and it is in storage. You can see the welding marks here, maybe under the paint. The inside is bare metal, no paint, nothing. And I guess you will want to know the size if I find something to measure it. So the diameter is 26 and the length is 40.5 centimeters, something like this. Okay, and the weight, maybe not extremely heavy, maybe 1 kilo. Yes, something like this. Because it is just mostly a metal sheet. 1 or 1.5 millimeters thick, I guess. And it is all for this thing. But it is not every day you receive a new old stock nice side part. from eBay, and it was quite cheap if I remember correctly. It was 20 euros or something like this, and quite unexpectedly bigger than what I was waiting for, but it is always a good surprise, except for storage, because as you can guess it takes a lot of space in storage, but at least as it is empty I can always put stuff inside. So thanks for watching, bye bye.